Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Boys Shaving Kit is probably one of the most essential grooming tools a young man can own, marking a significant step into adulthood and personal care, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in achieving a smooth, comfortable shave while also instilling good habits for the future. This kit is designed to provide a safe and effective introduction to shaving, ensuring that the first experiences are positive and confidence-building, setting the stage for a lifetime of proper grooming. Number 5. Vorspack Men's Hanging Toiletry Bag. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for men. Keep all your toiletries neatly organized and easily accessible on the go. Crafted with water-resistant materials, this bag protects your essentials from spills and splashes. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel. The smart hanging design allows you to easily access your items in any bathroom. Simply hang it up and keep your counter space clear. Despite its compact size, it offers ample space for all your toiletries and accessories. Everything you need fits perfectly inside. Whether it's a business trip or a weekend getaway, this toiletry bag is your ideal travel partner. Travel smarter and more organized. What we like. This option offers superior organization for all your grooming essentials. Its water-resistant material ensures durability and protection for your items. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who likes to keep their bathroom counter tidy, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit includes a durable, child-safe razor with a comfortable grip, designed specifically for young hands. It comes with a foaming shaving cream that creates a rich lather, making shaving easier and reducing irritation. The set also features a full-size mirror and a sturdy stand, providing a complete and organized shaving experience. Number 4. Viking Revolution Luxury Safety Razor Shaving Kit. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our luxury safety razor kit. It's designed to provide a close, comfortable shave every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a double-edged safety razor, a convenient stand, a mixing bowl, and premium aftershave balm and pre-shave oil. The included badger brush creates a rich lather for a smooth glide. Enjoy a barbershop-quality shave in the comfort of your own home. Our safety razor offers a classic design with modern engineering for exceptional control and precision. Achieve a clean, irritation-free finish. Elevate your grooming routine with this all-in-one shaving kit. It's the perfect gift for yourself or the discerning gentleman in your life. What we like. Experience a traditional, high-quality shave with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for a smooth and comfortable grooming routine. If you appreciate a classic shave and are looking for a premium, all-in-one solution, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. The kit is designed for young beginners, making it easy to use and understand. It includes a safety razor with a guard to prevent cuts, ensuring a safe shaving experience. The set comes with a high-quality shaving cream and aftershave balm that are gentle on sensitive skin. Number 3. Harry's Original Shaving Kit, Chrome Edition. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our meticulously crafted kit. Designed for the modern man, it delivers unparalleled closeness and comfort. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this kit ensures exceptional performance. Each component is built for durability and a flawless finish. This all-in-one set includes everything you need for a perfect shave. From the ergonomic handle to the premium blades and soothing gel, it's designed for your convenience. Take your grooming routine on the go with ease. Our kit is TSA approved, making it the ideal travel companion for any journey. Elevate your grooming with the sophisticated Chrome Edition. Its sleek design and premium materials offer a touch of luxury to your daily routine. We believe in providing only the best. This shaving kit is a testament to our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. Achieve a close and precise shave with these German-engineered blades. The included travel cover makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you prioritize sharp blades and convenient travel, this kit is designed for your needs. What people say. The kit includes a durable, child-safe razor with a comfortable grip, designed specifically for young users. It comes with a foaming shaving cream that creates a rich lather, making the shaving experience smooth and enjoyable. The set also features a full-size mirror and a sturdy stand, providing a complete and organized shaving station. Number 2. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our expertly crafted kit. It's designed to give you a close, comfortable shave every time. Experience the precision of German engineering in your daily routine. This kit is built for performance and durability. Everything you need for a perfect shave is included. From the razor handle to the refreshing shave gel, it's all here. Take your grooming routine on the go with ease. Our kit is TSA approved, making it perfect for all your travels. Enjoy a clean and invigorating shave with our charcoal-infused shave gel. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. Get more value with our included blade refills. You'll have everything you need for a consistently great shave. What we like. Enjoy a consistently smooth shave with its precision German blades. This kit is designed for convenience, especially with its TSA-approved travel cover. If you're looking for a reliable daily shaver with a sleek, modern aesthetic, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit includes a durable, child-safe razor with a comfortable grip, designed specifically for young users. It comes with a foaming shaving cream that is gentle on sensitive skin and rinses off easily. The set also features a full-size mirror and a sturdy stand, making it convenient for practice and storage. Number 1. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men, Sage. Introducing Harry's Original Shaving Kit. It's designed to give you the closest, most comfortable shave possible, every single time. Crafted with German engineering, this kit ensures precision and quality. You'll feel the difference from the very first use. This all-in-one kit includes a durable razor handle, 3 blade refills, and a foaming shave gel. It truly has everything you need for a superior grooming experience. Enjoy the refreshing scent of sage that invigorates your senses. It adds a touch of natural freshness to your daily routine. A convenient travel blade cover is included, making it easy to take your grooming essentials on the go. Stay sharp and clean wherever you are. Upgrade your shave with this complete set. It's the perfect solution for men seeking quality, convenience, and a consistently great shave. What we like. Get a close shave with its high-quality German blades, perfect for sensitive skin. The compact design and travel cover make it ideal for portability. If you prefer a minimalist shaving experience and appreciate a touch of natural color, this kit is a great fit. What people say. The kit includes a durable, child-sized safety razor with a comfortable grip, designed for safe and easy handling by young users. It comes with a high-quality shaving cream that produces a rich lather, providing a smooth glide for the razor and minimizing skin irritation. The set also features a soft, synthetic bristle brush that creates a good lather and is gentle on the skin, making the shaving experience more enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.